Hi everyone, welcome. The new episode of Peter's English podcast has been started. Let's read you my slogan, the slogan of Peter's English podcast, and it's Learn English, be successful, change your life, open a lot of doors, create your own podcast, write your own novel. You don't need to be talented because learning English is for everyone, and it's true. Okay, people, wait a minute. Okay, we can start. This is people picture in picture episode. It's a storytelling episode, and I want to read you my last chapter 25 of season 2 of my novel Viera the Vampire Girl Diary. It's called A Vampire Girl versus Peter's Belly. I was inspired by myself, and I in this chapter, in this story, I made fun of myself because I like to make fun of everything and everyone, and I like to do and I like to make fun of me too. Of course. Hi everyone. I'm your host Peter. I'm the owner of my own Peter's English podcast, and we can start right now with my own story. But can you see everything? Yes, you can. Let's start. Chapter 25 of Season 2, A Vampire Girl versus Peter's Belly. Viera's diary entry. Do you really have to eat so much, you fat little pig? Eating half a chocolate bar, one whole biscuit, and a cup of coffee requires a special kind of talent. You keep eating unhealthy foods full of calories. Aren't their highness ashamed of themselves? Look at that big belly you have. I'm not going to walk around with a pig. Do something about yourself. Are you even listening to me? Viera was shouting at Peter while he, like a little piglet, was stuffing himself with sweets like a wild animal and drinking a cup of coffee at 3 in the afternoon. This dog doesn't listen to me. How dare you? Did you say something, Kitty? Peter finally spoke, waking up from his chocolate trance. Yes, I dare to shout at my king because you eat like a pig. Do you want to die from diseases caused by an unhealthy lifestyle? I'm shouting at you because I'm worried about you. If you want me, you must change your lifestyle. I myself have too big a backside. I want to have a trained backside so I can feel better and believe in myself more. And so you won't say that I'm only bossing you around. We will go to the gym together. We will also completely change our diet. It's full of unhealthy foods. Vera was looking at her backside in the mirror. You have a really big backside, Kitty. Why change anything? I feel great. You have a big backside. Life is too short for stress. Peter tried to convince Viera, thinking he could save his overeating. He was terribly mistaken. Peter's comment about his girlfriend Viera's big backside completely destroyed her and made her furious. What did you just say, you dog? That I'm fat? Mr. keeps his big belly and I'm the fat one? For this insult, you will sleep on the street, you dog. No, wait, I have a better idea. I will personally train you. I will destroy you in the gym. Just wait. Calling me fat, will you? Viera, wait, I didn't mean it like that. Please have mercy on me, a sinful man. Oh, but you did mean it. You thought Viera is a fat pig. I will train you in the form of a cruel, muscular werewolf. I have strength that even werewolves fear. I will show you what it means to call me fat. Viera said, picked him up in her arms, and like a bat flew with Peter straight to the gym. And here we are. These are the changing rooms. That one is for gentlemen and that one is for ladies. Go get changed. I'll change as well. Viera ordered Peter. Kitty, please have mercy. Mercy for a stupid little worm like me. Peter begged Viera for forgiveness. Absolutely not. We are here because of you. You are fat. You don't attract me anymore because I don't like fat pigs like you. I don't like you. I feel nothing for you because you are fat. Prove your love to me and radically change your lifestyle. I don't want to cry over you in a hospital because of diseases. I'm too young and too beautiful and a sexy vampire girl for that. I just want to improve my backside. That's all. I am personally taking responsibility for you. From now on, I am your personal trainer. You don't like it? Then it's over between us and I will find another male. Thanks to my beauty and charm, I can find anyone I want. There are the doors. I leave the decision to you, Vera said firmly. Vera, you're right. I will prove my love to you. I want to fight for you. You will love me. Peter motivated himself to Viera's great surprise. I'm right. I mean, of course I'm right. You're not my type anymore, Vera shouted at him, and then said to herself, he's followed my bait with the hook and everything. I didn't expect that at all. That boy must love me very much. I expected him to break up with me. Instead, he wants to show off. He wants to show off for me. He's so adorable when he wants to change because of me. Honestly, that boy impressed me. Vera, what are you saying? Your blush will betray you. Vera's whispering to herself frightened Peter, who thought that something was happening to her. Vierka, I don't want to lose you. I agree, let's exercise. I have no objection. Can we start already? Peter said, eagerly trying to show Viera that he didn't want to lose her. I was just thinking. Yes, sure. You're only saying that now. After a few minutes, you'll run out of the gym. I know you already. I won't stop you. I've seen many handsome men here that I would immediately trade for you. I'm just wasting my time with you, Vera said. No, please. I really want to change, Peter said. Fine, let's get changed, Vera ordered. All right, let's do this, Vera said to herself in the women's changing room as she put on a white sports tank top, black leggings, and clean white sneakers. Let me fix myself up so I look like a fairy who just stepped down from the clouds. She smiled gently at the mirror. Mirror, mirror, tell me, who is the most radiant lady in this gym today? You, Vera, always you. She adjusted her hair, straightened her tank top, and nodded with satisfaction. All right, girl, go show yourself to the world, and maybe even to that stubborn boyfriend of yours. Meanwhile, Peter was nervously waiting outside the changing rooms, muttering under his breath, where is she so long? Even in the gym she has to look like a star from a TV show. And all the guys will stare. She's doing this on purpose, that vampire of mine. The gym was full of equipment and about 10 men were working out. It was an ordinary Saturday until the door of the changing room opened. Vera stepped inside and immediately every head turned toward her. Not because she was provocative, but because she carried a natural elegance, the kind a person sees only once in a lifetime. One of the men whispered quietly, "Brothers, brothers, brothers! Like this is like spring walking into the room." Another added, "A lady like that doesn't come here every day. She's like a poem taking a stroll." Two of the boldest men decided to approach her, thinking their compliment would impress her. "Miss, your presence brightens the entire gym," said the first. "And you move like a ballerina who commands every step," added the second. Vera smiled at them kindly but firmly. For a moment, her eyes shimmered with a subtle, supernatural light. Without any effort, she lifted the heaviest dumbbell in the room with one hand. The man froze. "Gentlemen, kind words are nice," she said calmly, "but good manners are even better. Today we're having a lesson in courtesy." With a gentle look, she made them step back and apologize. Then she sent them away, not with force, but with dignity, like a lady who knows her worth. Peter watched the whole scene with his mouth open. Viera turned to him and said with a smile, "See, I haven't even started exercising and I already had two admirers. But relax, Kitty, you're the one I chose." Then she laughed. "And now we're going to work out. And so you stop staring at my back. I'll transform into a tall black werewolf. That will finally make you train. You see, I really motivated you. You're exercising honestly and with real effort. I know my beauty awakens a poetic spirit in men and inspires them to change their lifestyles. Just like in your case. I haven't even done anything yet, and I'm already jealous of the ladies in whom you might awaken poetic talent. I'm glad you changed your lifestyle for yourself, and especially for me. I always liked you. I wanted to push you to change your lifestyle because I was starting to worry about your health. We will both train together and eat healthy meals. As a reward, I'll cook you a healthy but delicious dish. I'll prepare a special romantic dinner by candlelight in my castle. Don't worry, we'll send my vampire family somewhere to have fun. We'll spend the evening exactly the way you want," Viera whispered into Peter's ear. Peter was very happy, hugged Viera, and they shared a little kiss. He truly changed his lifestyle. He began working hard in the gym and living healthily, which made Viera very happy. Of course, Viera went to the gym with him, ate healthy meals, and supported him devotedly in learning English. "So, Kitty, does it taste good?" Viera asked Peter during the romantic candlelight dinner in her castle chamber, dressed in luxurious black evening clothes. Peter, wearing a black suit, replied, "You're the best cook in the world." After the meal, Viera asked Peter romantically, "And now what, my Kitty?" "To the cinema, to your favorite film," Peter replied. "Kitty, you're spoiling me. You really are a gentleman. After the film, we're going for a midnight walk under the full moon. Just don't start howling poetic verses about me, or I'll blush like a shy girl," Viera laughed. After dinner, they went together to the cinema to watch Viera's favorite film, and then they took a romantic midnight walk under the full moon, holding hands and looking lovingly into each other's eyes. The end. Okay, people, that is the end of the this live stream, picture-in-picture storytelling episode that was about my last chapter 25 of season 2 and of my novel Viera the Vampire Diary. I hope you will like it. And okay, what to say in the end? I want to stream for 15 minutes. I don't want to ramble for a long time because it's not a ramble storytelling episode. It's picture-in-picture storytelling episode where about my last chapter, Viera the Vampire Diary, and people don't like long rambles after the end of the story. And don't worry, I don't want to do it. And yes, you can follow me everywhere, and you can read my novel Viera the Vampire Diary on my website petersenglishpodcast.com, or you can follow my Linktree, or you can read my novel on my Wattpad account. But this last chapter 25 you can only read while are you watching my live stream on my YouTube channel, because you have to wait until my next publish day, that is on 6th of March 2026, because I decided to cut my creativity from my publishing day, and my publishing day is every Friday of week B after my morning shifts when I have a lot of time because my weekend already started. And okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your listening. I hope you will like it, because my novel, Viera the Vampire Diary, is full of fun and entertainment and funny and wild dialogues. And that's it. It was my own novel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I want to tell you bye bye.